This is going to be a quick unboxing of the Sony WH-1000XM3. These are Sony's latest wireless premium headphones. You get high-res audio, up to 30 hours of battery life, there's Bluetooth, and there's noise cancellation, all that sort of stuff. You can make calls. It charges over USB Type-C. You can get about 5 hours of playback time on just 10 minutes of charging. You can also ask it like Google Assistant or Siri, headphone, and whatnot. So let's dig inside the box. So they're just telling you to download the Sony Headphones Connect app, and here's the headphones itself in this nice kind of premium carrying case. First we have the audio cable. There's also like an airplane adapter for all those airplanes that have the older type of audio jacks. The headphones themselves, which you can like pair to your device via NFC, like pairing. This is where like the touchpad, so one tap, play, pause, double tap, next song, 3 taps, go back, and that type of stuff. Kind of a leathery kind of cushion material. Feels really nice in the hands. That's how you activate the noise cancellation, power button, audio input, and USB-C. The rest of the box just has manuals and stuff. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the Sony WH-1000XM3 headphones. They're available now for around 450 Canadian or around 350 US. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of Sony's latest.